how these cards smoothly layer as I scroll? It feels interactive and modern and just makes your site look premium. But guess what? You don't need a massive budget or team of developers to pull this off. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build this sticky stacked card effect inside WordPress using Elementor, a bit of styling, and some simple code to make everything work seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, your design will have that high-end, custom-built feel without the headache. It's easier than you think and the results are worth it. Let's dive in. While I do this, it is also important to note that adding any element to your website only slows it down. But that does not mean that you should not be adding anything. You can make your website faster with Airlift. It's a free plugin and undeniably the best optimization plugin that can bring out the best performance of your website. First, we need to set up the main section. Click on the plus icon to add a full-width container. Then set the minimum height to 100 VH so it covers the entire viewport. Now go into the additional settings and set overflow to hidden. This prevents anything from spilling out of the container. Also set the HTML tag to section to keep things structured. Once that's done, go over to advanced settings and assign the class name sticky cards. This is important because this class will be used to apply the effect later. Now inside this container, insert a heading and center align it. This can be a title or an introduction to the section, but it's completely optional. With the base container ready, let's create the cards that will stack as we scroll. Inside the sticky cards container, add another full width container. In the settings, set the direction to bottom so the cards flow downward naturally. Then adjust the width to 40%. This will make sure the cards don't take up too much space and keep the effect looking neat. Now go over to advanced settings and assign this container the class name card so we can style it correctly. Now let's add content to the first card. Insert an image inside the card and set the size to full so it maintains its high quality. Then go into the style settings and adjust a few things. Set the maximum width to 100% to prevent any unexpected shrinking. Adjust the height to 40 VH so each image stays proportional. Change the object fit to cover so the image fills the available space. And set the position to center to make sure the focus stays in the right place. Below the image, insert a heading and change the text color to white so it stands out. Style it however you want to match the design. This will act as a title or label for each card. Now, instead of manually creating multiple cards from scratch, duplicate the entire card container 5 more times. Each duplicated card should have a different image and heading, so I'll go ahead and replace them now to create variation in the stack. Okay, before adding the final effect, we need to test if everything is positioned correctly. Go to the sticky cards container, open the custom CSS section, and paste the provided CSS code. If everything looks good, finalize the images and text. Now to activate the stacking effect, we need to add an HTML widget. Inside the sticky cards container, insert an HTML widget, then paste the provided HTML code inside it. Click Update, preview the changes, and you should now see the stack cards effect exactly as you expected. And that's it. You have a smooth sticky stacking effect that makes your cards layer beautifully as you scroll. If you want to tweak the design, you can adjust the card sizes and image heights or even add animations to make the effect even more impactful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below and I'll help you out. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.